Almonds are edible seeds from the fruit of the almond tree, scientifically known as Prunus dulcis, which is native to the Middle East and North Africa. They are incredibly nutritious and are widely consumed both raw and roasted. Almonds are known for their rich nutrient profile and are often used in various culinary applications, from snacks to baking. A 100-gram serving of almonds contain approximately 579 kilocalories, 21.2 grams of protein, 49.4 grams of fat, with a higher proportion of it being healthy monounsaturated fat, 21.6 grams of carbohydrates, vitamins such as vitamin E and B vitamins, and minerals like magnesium, calcium, phosphorus, iron, and potassium. So, in this video you are going to learn 7 incredible health benefits of almonds. Number 1. Heart health. Almonds are high in monounsaturated fats, which can help lower LDL cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. They also contain antioxidants, such as vitamin E, which help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the arteries. Number 2. Blood sugar regulation. Almonds have a low glycemic index and a high fiber content, which helps slow down the absorption of carbohydrates and maintain stable blood sugar levels. Magnesium in almonds also plays a role in insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism. Number 3. Weight management. Despite their high caloric content, almonds can aid in weight management due to their high amount of protein and fiber, which promote satiety and reduce overall calorie intake. The energy required to metabolize almonds, which is known as the thermic effect, also contributes to weight control. Number 4. Bone health. Almonds are rich in calcium and magnesium, both of which are essential for maintaining bone density and strength. Magnesium aids in the regulation of calcium levels in the body and supports bone mineralization. Number 5. Skin health. The high vitamin E content in almonds acts as an antioxidant that helps protect skin cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin E also supports skin hydration and repair. Number 6. Digestive health. Almonds are a good source of dietary fiber, which supports healthy digestion by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Fiber also contributes to a healthy gut microbiome. Number 7. Cognitive function. Almonds contain nutrients such as vitamin E, magnesium, and healthy fats, which are beneficial for brain health. Vitamin E has been linked to reduced cognitive decline, while magnesium plays a role in nerve function and synaptic plasticity. Overall, almonds are a nutrient-dense food that provides a wide range of health benefits due to their rich profile of healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and fiber.